Hi everybody, my name is Volkan and I am telling you today hand model works. Hand model works is really important for the commercial movies and photo shootings. Hand must be clean, symmetrical and smooth. Straight fingers are also important. Women need to look feminine, that means slim, graceful fingers with healthy nail beds. Man needs to present with soft hands and hairless fingers. Hand model works can make 3000 US dollar just a couple hour works. A successful hand model can make upwards 75,000 a year. Unfortunately, though the job market is competitive and unpredictable, modeling jobs can pay handsomely when you get them. But once the shoot is over, you are unemployed and you have no way knowing when the next opportunity will arrive. And you can contact a model agencies that works with hand models because most modeling agencies work with traditional models only. Hand-friendly agencies can be divided into two categories. There are those that work with all sorts of models, and there are those who specialize in part models such as hand models. And if you want, I can share with you some hand model agencies. Thank you for watching me. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to like.